All right, so picking up from wherever I left off on part one, I was able to get a front end, radiator, core support, fans, and bumper from a junkyard for a pretty good deal. Went ahead and put all of those parts onto the car, and from there, I was able to get the car ready to take it for a test drive. So my 200 amp alternator fuse blew. So honestly, for right now, just so I can drive the car around, I'm just gonna jump it across and see what happens, honestly. So we'll go from there. Hey, something's loose as fuck. First drive. I cannot believe I'm actually driving this thing, bro. Alright, well that was a pretty good success. I mean, I did take it around the block. Probably gonna take it one more time, but I just need to adjust the suspension and tighten it up because that thing was clacking around real bad. But the clutch I put in the car was a Sox OEM kit, and I used an LUK OEM flywheel, and you can't mix the two together, and I did not know that, so I did unfortunately have to pull the entire transmission once again, but I did it at work on a lift, so it saved me a lot of time, thankfully. From here on out for the next few days, I just spent time trying to get the car fully road ready. All right, we got everything hooked up. About to go for a nice little test drive in it. Let's see how this goes. After I knew the car was road ready and everything was okay on it, went through all the gears properly, it got the temperature, the fans came on like they should, and overall the inspection of the car was looking good. From there on, I was ready to take it back home so I could work on the exhaust and getting any final things tidied up. Even though the car sounds like a pile of ass, it works, from what I see. So basically now I'm just going to focus on trying to get a proper exhaust back on this thing and making it sound better, because it was just open headers. It's just super windy outside right now. Get all that gross cut off. Only things I need now are a hood and a few other small things, but besides that, it's road ready and it's doing good so far.